Oh, y'all know what it is. It's another weekend. Thank you for tuning in to LLC with Ty, also known as Twana Yvette. That would be me. So this weekend, I decided to come on out to the Marietta market. It is really nice. Little quaint, small spot, but really, really good food, y'all. Oh my God, really, really good food. So in between my order, figured I'd stop in and share with y'all. Don't let fear stop you from doing what it is you really want to do, okay? Keep that in mind, let that resonate in your spirit, let it simmer, and hang on to those words. Don't let, somebody steal your joy, stomp on your dream and deter you from your passion, okay? Push through. You can do it. You owe it to you. Why? Because you're worth it, okay? Come through here and check on my order real quick. Just now starting to get a little drizzle going on, but that's okay. Sure hope y'all are having a great weekend. So I wanted to share today. Doesn't matter what other people feel, what they don't feel, what they believe in, what they think you should do, not do. It's your prerogative to do exactly what it is you feel in your heart, you're passionate about, okay? And you want to stick to that. You don't want to walk away from what it is you really believe in, what it is you feel you should be doing, your passion, your purpose, right? Keep that in mind. Don't let nobody pull that away from you, steal that away from your path, okay? Follow what it is you believe you should be doing, period, point blank. Doesn't really matter what other people are doing. That's irrelevant. You got to make sure you follow what it is you want to do in life. Okay. So, as I was saying, that's really just what you owe to yourself, okay? So as I'm waiting for my order, just wanted to share with y'all, don't let fear deter you from what it is you really, just pull you away from what it is you really want to be doing. And if that's getting back into the dating scene, then go ahead and do that. Don't let fear be what it is that stops you from finding somebody, that's truly meant for you and you for them, right? I just have a few tidbits, tips, and tricks. So when you're getting back into the dating scene, on a side note, let me just say this. Just keep in mind, you just want to be mindful. You just want to keep it decluttered and organized as you post your profile pics and the picture collage and so forth. And you're, especially the bathroom selfies. Let's just be mindful. The bathroom selfies. Oh my. Let's not oh hell no. Let's just be careful that we take the pics without the toilet in the background. Yeah, it just takes away from the sexy in those profile pics, in those Instagram pics, Facebook posts. Just keep that in mind, okay? Going forward, just keep that as an immediate thought. Keep that top of mind, okay? Especially, like I said, when you're looking for that right one, you want to increase your chances of finding the one for you, okay? So do yourself the favor Clean it up, organize it, declutter before you click and or post, before you tap and or click. Keep that in mind. Don't forget. Make that a priority before you tap and or click and then put information on Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. You know, we can see. You don't want to be that woman or that guy that in the background of your photos that you have now placed on Facebook, Instagram, what have you, since you're using that as a dating site, you just want to keep in mind taking a few minutes to declutter before you step into the dating scene and have that as your profile pic, numerous pictures of yourself with shoes, socks, and other paraphernalia just sprawled out all over the floor within those photos, within your profile pic. Clean up, organize. We can see all of that in the background. There are some of us that actually pay attention. You got to ask yourself, why are the hair products, toothpaste, lotion, makeup bag, curling iron, blow dryer all in the kitchen? Let's go ahead and relocate those items to the bathroom. Oh, hell no. It shouldn't take you too long to move those items out of the way before you start taking the selfies, okay? Especially those in the restroom, bathroom, you know. Find another area maybe, you know? How long could that take you to find another area in the house that's just not covered? The whole counter is covered with OMG, I have no idea. Some of those items, I'm really not sure what all that is. It's just for you to keep in mind, declutter, de-junk before you tap and or click and post on Facebook, Instagram, and what have you. Already into the dating game? Do please share this with someone who needs a little direction. Share, 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 share. Let's increase those chances, get you back in the dating game the right way, okay? Find the right one for you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. LLC, Living Life for the Culture with Ty, also known as Twana Yvette. And until next weekend.